This is the website we are going to use. And one by one, we'll develop the pages. First, we have to develop the pages, and then we can go on. So the test cases and data preparation, everything we'll do that. So, and utilities, any utility methods required, we'll develop that. So the first page is we have to target a dashboard, right? Dashboard, login, we'll move on like that sequential order. So first page is a dashboard page. So in the dashboard, so all these are the ones, all the links you can identify these things. Okay, so that's a dashboard page. So in the dashboard page, so this is the dashboard page. So you can identify all these links, home, products, cart, sign up, all this. Maybe you can put even home page also you can put, right? Even you can mark it as a home page. So all these links. So and then in the home page, you can go to anywhere. Uh, See that there is a products also by default. I can perform a search also here, but search is not there, but it will be mostly in the products. Yeah, search in the products. So only in the dashboard page you can find the links, navigation links. So which tab you want to go, products tab or card page or sign up page, contact us. So these links we'll identify, and then we can so write that simple. Okay, let's build that first. Pages, under pages, let's create a dashboard page, one file. So simple file you can create. So dashboard page b is .js. So make sure you give the page keyword, dashboard page, right? So and then you can use, so class you create. So create the class. So you can do that different ways. Export you can start, and then you can first create a class. Okay, class dashboard page. You can create like this. So and also in the constructor inside, we have to use a constructor. So constructor inside, you give the page promise. So page you have to pass. Page promise we have to give, and then that page. So you have to declare that page, right? So this dot page equal to page, and then so all these links one by one. So all the links you can identify. So home, we are in the home page, but yeah, so products tab. So identify one by one. So this dot products. So you are identifying this products link. Let's identify the products link. So you can take any of this. See, there is a tag is there, or no, with a tag they have identified. This one also you can use CSS selector. You can use. So I can write directly here. Is dot locator, and so I'm giving this. So give this double quotes, and at the end. So next, so cart. right? So the title is different. So right, title is automation exercise. That's not the title. If you want title, you can put a page title, automation exercise. Let's put automation exercise. So mouse over automation space exercise. Right. Next. So we have another cart, right? Cart link. Cart link. So we can give identify that again same way. How we are identifying that? Page dot locator, right? Page dot locator and we cart. So this element I'm identifying. It's very heavy. Why this much big? I'll write my own. So let's go here and see. UL nav bar. You can start from here. I don't know why it is going that many levels. Let me write UL square bracket at the rate class equal to class value. So take this. And then, so LI, which LI? LI1, LI2, LI3, right? So ours is LI3, LI3A. Yes. Slash A. So this is how you need to write the XPaths. So keep building the XPaths so that you will get a confident on the constructing the XPaths. I don't want this one. So yeah. Okay. That's the vcard link. Then we want sign up or login. Next one is this dot sign up login link. Let's say so LI43, right? So you can check that here. If I give LI4, see this one it is identifying. Then we want contact us. So identify all the header is so this dot contact us link. So it is, this is not there. This I think 4, this one, right? 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the 8th one. Let's check cross check here also once again. Right, exactly. So these are the main things we are going to handle: products, cart, sign up, and contact us. These are the different pages also we're going to create. So all are ready. Now So this is basically navigation, right? So this navigation. I don't want to. I don't know why this. So navigate to products. That is the first thing. Navigate to products. So maybe I'll add some wait for load state, and if products is visible, then click on it. So that is the proper one. So navigate to cart. Similar way, navigate to cart. Navigate to sign up or login. Navigate to contact us space. So these are the methods we need. Just build all these methods quickly if you're writing along with me. After that, you have to export this page. So maybe module dot export dashboard. So if you're able to export, then only it can be used this page in another places. So it is very important to export. Yeah. If, but, Mhm.
In the line number 13, what is
Hmm?
meant by network idle?
Network idle means it will wait for that complete page loads. All the network tab related.
Oh, okay, okay, sir. Thank you.
So that our page loads, and then we can properly check whether it is visible, then you click it. So that's a condition is important. Right? If it is not visible blindly, you should not click. First you will check and do the action. So always make a habit of this kind of conditions, so that it will be easy for us to check if it is coming to this or not. So any questions? Mm-hmm.
Yes, sir. I have one question.
Mm-hmm.
At the end, we are exporting the class, right? We can
Mm-hmm.
write export default, the class name also, right?
Yeah, you can do another approaches. You can do here itself. So here also you can do export. So export. So default, and you can do that. Your page also you can give equal to, you can give, and you can do that also. But this is not the one. You can do like this also. You can give a name here instead of default. You can give a name, dashboard page something. So like this also you can do, right? So you can go with the other approach. So this approach, one approach will follow. That will be easy for us. Either one is correct. Okay, you are just exporting so that you can import this class wherever you need. So that's the main agenda of that.
Okay.
If you export, then only you can import. If you're not exporting, you cannot import it.
Okay. And in the line number 41, instead of module.exports is equal to dashboard, we can simply write exports default, then class name also, right?
That default you cannot write here. You have to write your page. Which page you are doing, that is important. Page you have to write your class name basically.
Yeah. Yes.
You have to import you export your class name.
Okay. And can you please tell me what is meant by 42 line? That is the comment, right? ES link disable.
Where is the 44 line? There is no 44
42,
line here.
sorry, 42 lines.
That is that is ESLint, but that is the a formatting purpose. This ESLint will come. So ESLint we are not using now, but yeah. So ESLint is basically it will check your code is having any violations. So every framework has certain guidelines, right? That guidelines it will check. So whether you are keeping more sleep, you're keeping no unnecessary chaining of the methods, and you're duplicating the variables, and all this will be caught by this ESLint. So ESLint is a formatting of the code, checking the guidelines, best practices. So those things will be checked here. So that is the ESLint purpose. So that generally every companies, every project or framework is going to be set this ESLint concept. So that's a mandatory.
Okay.
So one I think this export keyword we can mention in top of the before class
That's what I have
directly.
shown you, right? You can do that
Oh,
also.
oh,
Both
oh,
ways you can do.
oh,
You can do either bottom side or in the top also. Top also exports and your page name, and you can give equal to
oh,
the class.
oh.
That also you can do. Okay. So now let's move on to the next page. That is a login page. Right. So let's create a new class under this login page.js. So class login page. Right. So it is giving almost a structure. Yeah. So what we are going to do here is just use the this dot page. Page is important for us, right? Everywhere page is you have to define. Then identify. So all the elements. In this dashboard page, we have to give the URL also. You can give URL. This dot URL equal to this one. Even logo, you can identify the logo also. This top logo, this one. And expand this. So you will get, and so you can use src logo, something like that. Or you can start from here. Div class aimg. You can use that. Let me try this. Div square bracket class equal to a class value. So I'll use a star so that I can use a partial. I don't need to write a complete one. Then A, then IMG. See that? Exactly. It is going to identify. So many ways you can write object identification. It's not required you have to follow this one only, right? Yeah. So just simply write one verification. Verify. So async. Verify logo. That's it. So it is just verifying is visible or not. You can check. So verify page title. You can verify the page title also. If you want to get the page title, you can verify that. Verify page URL. If you want to verify the page URL. Page elements we don't need. So okay, all the page elements. Cart link. But if you want, you can just do that. Not an issue. Now this is not required. Let's keep on giving so many things. And we have to write one more. Navigate to this URL, right? So go to that just main. So we have done this already. In the bottom right, we have done already. Let me remove that one. Verify logo I have done. Okay. Now we get to home page. Verify home page. Verify logo. Logo is visible or not. And then, so you will see this page now. Just click on this, navigate to sign up page. There is a name, email, input type, data QA, placeholder. We can use a placeholder, right? Simply get by placeholder. We have a method already, built-in method. Let's use that. So y document selector page dot this dot page dot locator, not locator. I want to use get by placeholder. Get by placeholder. Right, so we have a placeholder email address. Just give email address. Same way, this dot page dot get by placeholder. So next one, password. Then click on login button. So you can use a type submit. We can write button data key they're using. Let's use this CSS selector. This dot page dot. We can use get by role, right? Get by role. Button login. So I'm trying to use all the different built-in functions, otherwise some of them. Say button name login. So then we have a header. So there is a header, right? So this header. So just take this header, log into your account header, login header. So this dot login header text, login header. So let's see log into your account, log into your account. Get by role heading. So log into your account. So this is how you can use. So what type of role it is? A button, link, heading. What is that? You can do that. So for example, if you don't give credentials, so what will happen? So it's asking, please fill out this field. No error message, but simple this pop-up you are getting. Okay. So that's it, but this is not required. Now, so I'll just do all this method, simple method, do login. Okay, simple method. Uh, do login method will do. So async do login. So I need a username, password. Await this start username, enter password. But so you just know you're using a fill method, right? So this is not required at all. These are not. So I'll use username dot fill username fill password. That's not the right approach what they have given. So click button, click login button. So once you log in, so you will get a logout also, right? Logged in user you will get. So that I have discussed it with you already. So once you see, you will get a logged in as a Ramesh. This one we want to verify that. Logged in username you have to verify. And then you have a logout also, logout link also you have to verify. So these two we have to verify after login. So this one, see, I'm going to use, see, this is all the list, right? I don't want to give so many LI10 or something. This is the last one. I'll use the last function. So let's use the last function and identify this logged in user. Okay, let's go identify the logged in user. So this dot logged in user. So it is taking a get by role link logged in as, so but I want to use XPath. Let's write the XPath. So you will also benefit. So this one, /UL square bracket @class equal to the class value. Where it is going? /u, sorry, ul @class equal to class value. Let's copy this class value. Then, so just give. So after ul immediately li, right? Li square bracket you give last function /a. See, it identifies. Simple. So I'll use a locator. You can use get by role also, but I am not using that. But it is taking all of them. But what I'm going to do, instead of this, I'll put a last function. Right? So that's it. And then we have to identify logout link also. Let's identify the logout link also. So this dot logout link. So get by role logout. So this is the logout. It's a link. So logout is there. You can use this logout. There are spaces, but yeah, it will identify. So no need to worry about that. Now I'll do logout also one function. Why you want to click on the logged in user? Just directly click on the logout. So this is nonsense. Okay. If logged in is user is visible, then you click on the logout. That's a meaningful, right? So you can get the logged in user value. So let's write another function, async. So get logged in username. Okay. So it is throwing error. 1, 2, it is closed properly, right? It's missing this bracket. Yeah, one more bracket is missing. That's why. Then do the module.export. So at the end, we can do module.export.
Keep another brackets.
Hmm?
The line number 28, we need to keep another curly bracket.
Oh, here. Okay, okay. This also, yeah. This one not required then. Yeah. Let's give a space each method after, okay? That's very important. Each method after one space. And also make sure you write the document comment for every method. That's the best practices. So every method above, you have to write what that method is doing. So suppose you have to write the comment like this. This is the best practices we have to follow. And explain about this. This function this method navigates to the